YouTube, it's your boy princemekaa back at it with another YouTube video. I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone XS Max I ordered from Amazon's renewed program, specifically from the vendor Trademore. I'll put the exact link from where I bought it from in the description box. Super happy with this purchase, and y'all are going to see why, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's get it. So if you guys aren't familiar with Amazon's renewed program, they basically reassure that each pre-owned product is professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned. They also guarantee the product to have at least 80% battery health. You can also return this product for a replacement or refund within 90 days of you getting it. There's also multiple vendors you can get it from. Right now I'm just kind of struggling to open the box, but I finally get it open, and there the phone is. I did get the space gray color alongside it being 64 gigabytes and fully unlocked, so I think I got a pretty good deal. I was thinking about getting the 11, but the price I saw for this one was just too good to pass by. Plus the screen is bigger, and y'all can see I got some pretty big hands, so you know it worked out. Now they did give me the SIM card removal tool, a lightning cable, and a charging cube, which I wouldn't have gotten if I bought the 11, since I know Apple isn't putting it in the box anymore.
Purchase your tracks today.
And I'm gonna just take the plastic off right here. I know y'all want to hear it, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna power on the phone. I did get a case for it. It's a clear OtterBox case, but now that I've had the phone for a couple of days, I don't really like it that much, so I'm gonna order a full clear case, but I'll still put the case link in the description box. I also got some screen protectors for it, and I'll show you guys how to properly apply it in another video, so be on the lookout for that. So the phone turned on, I'm just gonna go through the normal setup with y'all. So before I did anything else, I just decided to take out my SIM card from my old phone and put it in the new phone before I continue. Next I put the case on, but I forgot to take off that sticker the phone came with, but I eventually took it off, so it's good. Now I did want to set this phone up as a completely new phone, but I didn't want to lose my messages, have to transfer all my contacts one by one, sign into all my accounts and all of that. So the thing came up on my previous phone, which is the 6S, and it said hold your phone to your new phone, and I just automatically set it up like that. Next I set up Face ID, and after fully letting the phone transfer all the files from my old phone, it was finally good to go. All of my apps downloaded, and at this point I'm just checking out the phone, seeing if anything isn't working, and I reassure you guys the phone looks and performs like it's brand new. The battery health is at 89%, so the vendor owned up to their promise of at least 80%, which is very good. Right here, I'm just changing my home screen to the all black wallpaper since it looks very clean with this phone. And then I don't know why I decided to launch Netflix, but I did, and I signed into my account, so it's good. So here, I'm just conducting more tests, testing the flash and the camera, and they all check out, so this is really good.
Purchase your tracks today.
If you got to the end of this video, don't forget to please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for future videos. Let me know what other content y'all want to see on this YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, y'all.